Hello everyone! Imagine that you have a forgetful colleague. He or she left on vacation and forgot to change their present status. Well, this is just an example to say that there are situations in which you might want to be able to set present status of another user. First of all, please mind that this feature is restricted by default. To be able to use it, the permission to modify presence should be explicitly present in the ACL settings of your user. So if you are a manager who needs to be able to set present status of a group of employees, you need to check it with your system administrator. To set the present status and the status message of another user, select this user in Colleagues or in the Function Keys menu of Collaboration. Here is my colleague. And then press the three dots and go down to Set Presence. Thank you for watching this video. You can add comments and share it, and don't forget that you can read more about this feature and others in our documentation.